Yeah, people, so as you can see, Mane and Keyshia Ka'oir touchdown in a yard. Fresh. You see me I say? How me I say touchdown in a yard? Them there upon the rock, them there Jamaica. You know what I mean? Why not? Why not? You see me I say after the whole Christmas energy with families abroad, Mane and his wife forward, come spend some time with them family in a yard. You see me I say? Yeah, Jamaica, look there. You know what I mean? Them man do song like Mrs. Davis. Yeah, with him wife. You know what I mean? And normal something. You can go check out that something over there and look on the something. But you don't know Mane and big top rapper. You see me I say? Also entrepreneur. You see me I say? Them man they do collab with youths like Usher, Chris Brown. You see me I say? You know what I mean? Yeah, the Migos them. You see me I say? Whole heap of collab. And Keyshia Ka'oir, you don't know them girls, the fashionista, also artist, you don't know entrepreneur in the business. And I, Gryzzly Bear, elated for know say, yeah. Other ones that come on my country, forward in my island, but full joy the food. See there? More time of the food them come for. Yes, Yam and Dashing, them hear about the thing them way. Yeah. Sherry and Fraser eat. Yeah, Sherry and Fraser? And then hear about where you see about them a consume around here. You know what I mean? And they want to become full joy and experience the Jamaican delicacies. You know what I mean? Curry goat and mutton and them type of something. They don't know. Stew, natural food. You know what I mean? You want to eyeball spice them same way. You see it? Yeah, vegetarian burger. You see me I say? Most natural, healthy food and them type of something. But what? Overall, the land of food and water, them there. See them? Them are all vibes with them family. No people might never know say Mane, you know what I mean, Keyshia Ka'oir them have connects in JA. I'm not talking about family connect. I'm not talking about friend connect or they just come link some people and they meet on the internet. You know what I mean, the internet. Families and friends. You see me I say, yeah, see they look no man. So watch you now. So we talk about Keyshia Ka'oir a little bit. That girl hold it down with Mane when the man lock up in a prison. You see me I say? And you have three type of friends. You have the root friend, the branch friend, and the leaf friend. You see, leaf friend them, as like a breeze blow in your life, them blow off. The branch friend them know as a little storm. As a little storm blow, a little roughness. Them broke off, go one side, them can't get nothing, them no come back around again. So you get to realize that them friend they the one them through them I get something, and them can't get something. Yeah, that's why them they come around. But you see the root friend them, Keyshia Ka'oir. Yeah, Keyshia, that girl root. Remember root they and I grown, you can't too see the root, but guess what? When they want nutrients, the root they there. When they want some support, the root they there. No matter how the breeze blow on us, linear from left to right, the root will ground me, you see me? And I saw them girl that hold it down with her man, you see me I say, and then what? She earned the position of wife. So them girls are living example also for showing up for them girls out. They say, listen, ride or die, you know. You see me I say, yeah, ride or die. So if you want to be a queen or treat it like a queen, express queen energies. You know what I mean? And then the king will just crown you and just make you know say, here what, you're going to be my forever queen, you know, because you hold it down with me. You see me I say, you never make my head hurt me, a peace of mind creating of my world. So watch you now. Be the queen of my life and the mother of my child. Yeah, right there. So Keyshia, one of them girls. So just big up her. She there in Jamaica. You don't know. Big up to Mane and his wife from Reggae Vibes Media and our world. Check out them songs. Yeah, check out them songs. Submit tunes. Go and go look what go on. And remember, if it's your first time here or the first time you hear the voice, so my name is Gryzzly Bear. Bear Vice, Bear Fun, Bear Things, Must Be, Bear Facts, Bear Chats. And if you're not subscribed yet, yeah, you need to subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Yeah, that bell something that the RVM bell. Vroom. Every time when something drop fresh, vroom, notification. Yeah, quick and fast like up. Messy quick and fast are the bird with the ship and cross. Or the girl leg with the tight slip on fast. You hear my talk? Right there so. So let's go and big up yourself in the Mane, full joy self, because I'm going to see you touch the river yet. You know what I mean? I'm going to see you touch the beach. I'm going to know see I go a couple club and couple places and yeah, the experience. Yeah. Excellent. You see it? Right, there's some bad boyfriend. You see it? Big woman, big up yourself. The first lady, big up yourself. Mane and his wife, our world. Gryzzly Bear and I'm out.